Welcome to Big Sun Hobbies. I want to introduce you to my latest addition to my RC stable. Yes, I finally added a 6x6. Traxxas released the TRX6 last year, and most folks, including myself, thought of a 6x6 as just a gimmick to sell more trucks. Over the past year, I'm hearing and have seen otherwise, so I recently picked up a Traxxas TRX6 6x6 trail crawler truck with the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG Body in black, and I was blown away. As you will see in my initial runs, it's the only stock RTR that has cleared the line number 4, the very steep climb on my test ground. Even well-modified rigs have tough time with this line, so that speaks volume on it. The stock tires are one of the best for RTR. It comes with 2 speeds that actually have a difference in speed, diff lockers, portals for added clearance, inner fenders, and it's also pre-wired with the LED lights. But as you know, I can't leave any RTR stuck for too long. So as soon as I picked it up, I have started with a few mods on it. The changes are very few and small. Here's my initial mods. I replaced the stock servo with a cheap 35 kilogram servo and replaced the servo horn to a metal servo horn. Although the dual exhaust look scale, it really hampers with crawling, so I have deleted the dual exhaust from both sides as well. In order to help with the weight distribution, I'm going to use a shorty battery tray in the front. Using the Gens Ace 4300 mAh 3S LiPo battery. So I deleted the full size battery tray, removing some weight from the mid part of the chassis. TRX6 will benefit with some brass to the front end, but it's not urgent, so no brass weights have been added at this time. So let's check out how it did on my test ground. And if you own a TRX6, let me know in the comments your experience with it. Ooh, front bumper.
I was gonna send it to you, I'm like, wait, how can I
Oh!
Because I rarely like some of the front, but that front goes all the way to the bottom bumper and it has like lines on it. The same with the rear, it has lines.
Yeah. Because I've been waiting for somebody to does the WLC version. Because I thought the WLC version.
Yeah, and like that, it's so aggressive and
Oh my god. I was like, somebody do this, please. And then in the end, I just came up with mine. I love that one.
Settle down.
I think that's if you're not going like super strict with like Ferris or anything like that.
But this shit is not.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm gonna do. For non-expensive shit,
Woohoo!
bro, you got. I was thinking about putting it inside.
Seriously?
Line number 4, Conquer.
I don't really need to add more oil in this one. I don't think I should.
Nope. No need.
Wow. I think this thing is holding it.
Okay. Oh,
Oh.
don't go crazy.
Surprisingly, they actually.
Can I go? Where am I?
Yeah, that's not the best.
Yeah. I feel like I'm talking about Papa right now. Wrapped up with the wind.
What happened?
battery.
Oh my god.
Battery? No battery.
That's crazy. Get you all the way to the top of. Oh, that's gonna be hard.
There's a trick to it too. So a lot of people are watching it, huh?
Yeah, I think a lot of people are watching it.
Not too many people sell this.
Yeah.
They don't have it.
Woohoo.
Yeah, son just like bloop bloop bloop, and he just went over.
Well, you remember last week at the creek? This one dude had the 6-wheeler and he was going up that rock.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, he almost.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, he almost
He
did.
almost did it, and it was like
Everyone's
no
like,
one
what?
else could do it.
I know. It's like you have the 6-wheeler. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah,
Ooh.
he was super close.
I know. See?
Hope you found the short video on initial mounts and runs useful, and don't forget to let me know what you think of the TRX6 in the comments. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified about future videos. Thanks for watching Bixen Hobbies.